Hey, my people. This one na gbege. This one another big war, my people. For Oluwo of Iwo, Olokpa don go arrest am because of say. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. My people, those of you that don't know Oluwo of Iwo. Oluwo of Iwo na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. When we say he married Jamaican lady, but now they know they together again. When we say he go write about the Jamaican lady for Instagram, say me anybody no give the Jamaican lady respect again. Say me they no call her queen again. Me they no give her queen respect again. Say don't push. Say the Jamaican queen na yeye woman, so na so they sleep around. So my people, I don't feel carry this matter come this China say the king Oluwo of Iwo pregnant his own housemaid. So he can't tell the housemaid may go do the belle. So the housemaid can't tell say he no go fit do the belle because when Oluwo they do the thing, Oluwo they tell and say he go marry him. So why Oluwo go tell and say make he go comot and say he no go fit comot him. So now the lady now, the girl now, Oluwo don't pursue and come up for palace. So he can't go meet his mama. His mama can't say he no go agree. Say make he pregnant this kind young girl like this. Make come pursue and say make he go do one because Oluwo say he no they proud of the girl. Say because he know they educated and again house girl nice she be. Say she dey not just to cook for the palace nice she dey for. Say he no go fit use that one to do queen. Now people can't say okay if you no fit use and do queen at least let them born the child. So now Olokpa don't involve inside where we say the Congo arrest Oluwo for house say he pregnant young lady will be although wetin me get to talk for this matter be say the lady no be small pikin. If you don't pass 17 years you no be small pikin as long as say you don't clock 18 you don't reach 18 years old. All this Nigeria Olokpa the one way they go carry Oluwo say pregnant person. I know say Oluwo na very, now he get his own bad character for body wey be say his own character still dey his own body. Oh my people, be say this Olokpa people they not supposed go arrest Oluwo because now rubbish now they rubbish king like that. No matter what, the lady no be small pikin. Okay, even though he say one borner, make the letter and born her, but Oluwo say no go fit use and do queen. But he say Oluwo promise him. But the lady, the housemaid, no see say Oluwo na one kind king wey be say even the no marry wey be say no be even Nigeria lady, neither Jamaican girl be oh. He pursue that Jamaican lady, even write rubbish or prop of here say make them no respect her. He pursue the lady, join his own child. He even to say the son wey the Jamaican lady born for and na no be him get am. So if you feel that palace when all these things happen and you still go open leg for Oluwo because you still say don't pursue the Jamaican woman come out. Now you won't come be queen for the palace. Now be say you yourself get your own for body. You not be small picking. I know say Oluwo get your own for body. Oluwo they very bad, but Oluwo no force you. Now you open leg and you don't pass 17 years old. You don't pass 18. So what we call the talk? My own be say as long as say the lady no say Oluwo no be person wey be say they keep woman for long for palace like that. Say even as that Jamaican lady fine reach, he pursue and come up for palace with his son. Wey be say constitution no be born that child. And you will be housemaid, you come, you open your leg for him because it is say as you don't pursue the Jamaican lady, you won't come take over the position. You don't know so it go be. Now you don't get belly, you don't say it go make you king, make you queen. What you go do be say born the child. At least if you born Oluwo go they give you money make they take care of your child. May you move on because this Oluwo, if you dey force yourself, say make Oluwo must marry, they're not the first person for marriage. At the end of the day, we no can go end in good place. And the reason why they still arrest this Oluwo because Oluwo a lot of things when we say he still get his own. Only Oluwo now go they grant interview for internet. Only Oluwo now go they come Instagram, go they write rubbish. Any other king, you know go see on you of if may come Instagram, go they write rubbish for on top for Instagram. Now only Oluwo now you go see where they do that kind of things. Oluwo now for Oluwo palace now you go see where Oluwo they dress like Emia. When we say the way Yoruba like king they dress, they different. But Oluwo go carry another pattern of dress enter palace. they dress like Hausa king. All in character self, now make it John when they take arrest am so. And all those Oloye wey dey for palace, they not like am too. Now make they join out together, use that girl they do excuse, when they take arrest Oluwo, because they won't even dethrone Oluwo for a long time. And because of this gay issue where they grant now, they can't toss an abomination, making pregnant housemaid. So now make they can't join out together, go use police, they arrest Oluwo. Me, I know say they go free Oluwo because Nigeria police, they like bribe way. I know say they go free him because you know thief, of course, they go free him. And the lady self no say Oluwo na person will be say no they keep woman, they like they flirt where they like different women, if they like to test different things. You know the kind of person where Oluwo be, where be say what Oluwo even do to that Jamaican lady. She supposed to learn from him. You know she not be new person for that palace. She don't dey cook for that palace for a long time. Oluwo to get your own for body. You know say the girl na village girl. Say no go fit be your queen. You know go fit dey proud of family for public. She's not educated. Why you go dey do something with that kind of person? You know say you no fit stand your queen. Now so you no fit stand the Jamaican queen. Why you can't pursue the Jamaican queen? If you know say the Jamaican queen, say this housemaid no fit stand the Jamaican queen. Say now so the Jamaican queen fine person. Now so the Jamaican queen dey educated person. Say you no go fit dey with them together for public. Why you go dey do am for back? Why you not stay with the Jamaican queen? So you will go they do person where you will say you go they promise the lady say na so you sweet, na so your character good, na so it's a big cook. When we say the lady does na so Oluwo go they spoil the Jamaican queen for us. Say the Jamaican queen knows a big cook. Say that so it's a big cook. That so he dey clean. Say if you just get belle, he go just marry her. Use her take do queen. And say he promise her. As he promise, he get the culture will like two right together. Say okay you must marry me. You don't see the thing when we say do to the Jamaican lady. So now waiting your eye they find now you see so. But my own, I not put and say me they go do that belle. But me Oluwo take the responsibility. Say he go take care of the child. Make if you born the child till you go born everything that got to do about that baby. Oluwo must they take care of that baby. Because why now he make you now he give you belle. But say make he come marry you with force. Say make he use it to do queen with force. Me I'm not sure say that one go work But my people, I go like to end the video for you. So now that one I get to talk for this matter. Me now let me know what you think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, may you subscribe so that you don't go miss any latest gist about celebrities. So me now take care till I come on our way next time. On a bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.